Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our unit test series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So last video we set up our test file, and boom, we just have this here. So now let's just go ahead and throw in a few functions that we're going to test. So we're not going to do anything super crazy right now. So we're just going to do some mathematics and some string manipulation. So like I said, nothing crazy. And then addition and return. Oh, I guess I slid my keyboard. Oh yeah, my speaker fell over earlier today and it kind of messed everything up. So if I'm out of alignment, I apologize. So minus, then y, then x. So I changed that order. Oops. Subtraction. Oops. Not that. Return y minus x. Now let's do two strings. Def upper s. What did I just call this? Capitalize. Return s dot upper, and we're gonna do title here because I don't know, I just like title because you know you had to be paying attention to what you're doing, and we'll just call this title. Nothing fancy, and I don't want x, I want s. Staying consistent. And first, yeah, letter capital. Return s title upper. So all right, we're gonna do all the magic on this side, but I just want for you to really see that we want to make sure we have distinct definitions, docstring, and a return line, and so forth, because we're working on our best practices in this series. And when we get over here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be calling these functions using the unit testing methodology, the best practice. So we want to make sure that we have them titled very clearly, and there's no convolution between what they are doing. And like I said, want some documentation, and we want a good docstring. So all right, real quick video today, and we'll be doing all the fun stuff over here, and actually then working a lot with the command line. And we really need to really delve into that and understand what feedback we're getting from the command line. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.